Hello everyone, in this video I am going to perform the experiment on Norton's theorem. The aim of this experiment is to verify the Norton's theorem. So Norton's theorem is nothing. This is a electric circuit theorem which is related to simplify the complex circuit. So this is the circuit diagram for performing the Norton's theorem. Again, for measuring different parameters, we have to make different connection. So first of all, we will make I will show the circuit connection for measuring the IN, that is Norton current. So for doing this part of my experiment, I need a DC power supply. And then two resistances, so these are two resistance and one emitter, that is a difference of milliampere. So by following the circuit diagram, I had made my connections. So here from the positive end of the DC power supply, I had made the connection to the resistance, first end of the resistance of my first resistance, and the second end of my first resistance I have made connection to the first end of the second resistance. Again, the second end of the second resistance I have made the connection to the DC power supply, negative end of the DC power supply. So the milliammeter is connected parallelly across the second resistance. Next, so according to the procedure, we have make the applied voltage up to a value of 10 volt. So whenever I had make a value of 10 volt applied, so then there must be a current flowing. So from the by observing the milliammeter, I can measure my current. So this is the milliammeter showing it's all about 10 milliampere. So whenever I have applied a voltage of 10 volt, so it's showing a current of 10 milliampere. That is, this current is called Norton's current. So after that part of the circuit, so nextly I had made the circuit for measuring the Norton current, that is the RN. So this is the circuit diagram for measuring Norton current. So according to this circuit diagram, here is two resistances. So these are the two resistances which are connected in parallel. So we can measure the equivalent value of these resistances, so that value will give the value of the Norton resistance. So by using this multimeter, we can measure the value of the Norton resistance. So it will show when we measure, it will show a value of near about 500 volt. 500 ohm. So as after we came to know Norton current and the Norton resistance, then definitely we can check whether this theorem is verified or not by doing the calculation, mathematical calculation. We can observe whether it is correct or not. So that part I will discuss in my next video. So till then, thank you everyone.